Hello learners, welcome to the Ultimate Python course. So today we are learning about dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries in Python are used to store data values in key value pairs. They provide a way to map unique keys to corresponding values, making data retrieval efficient. So let's see what is the characteristics of dictionaries. So dictionaries are ordered, meaning items have a defined order. They are mutable, allowing changes, addition and deletions. In the last class, we have learned about set, which is not ordered, and also you cannot, once you define the set, you cannot change its element. But in dictionary, we have all these. Dictionaries do not allow duplicates key. Yes, so that is the similarity between this dictionary and set. So in set also we can't keep duplicate values, but in dictionary we are talking about key and value. So you can't keep duplicate keys. The value might be duplicates, but the keys, like key value pair we keep, so keys should be unique, defined using curly braces or the dict constructor. When we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the item have a defined order. It is indexed, and the order will not change. Unordered means that the items does not have a defined order, and you cannot refer to an item by using an index. Now next, dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. So, to determine how many items a dictionary has, we use the len function. The values in dictionary items can be of any data type. From Python's perspective, dictionaries are defined as objects with the data type dict. Now let's learn how to create a dictionary. So first way is using a curly brackets. We will keep the variable name, and then we will use the curly bracket, and inside that we will keep not a single value. We have to keep key and value in a pair. So this is our one item. Now next we have age. Age is what? A key. And what is the value of age? 25. Now next we have city. That is New York. So this is the dict, and when you will print my dict, it will print in a key value pair. Now next, using the dict constructor also we can create a dictionary. So for dict constructor we will be not using curly bracket, simple tuple, and this is what the constructor dict, and you keep again in the key value pair. Name, this is the key, and Bob, this is the value. Now next, age. Age is what? A key, and this 30 is the value for it. Next we have city. City is what? It is a key, and the London is the value for it. So when you will print this, it will print you the key value pair. Name, Alice, age 25 for the my dict, and for the person it is name, age and city. So this is how you can create a dictionary in a two ways, using a curly bracket or using a dict constructor. Now let's learn how to access dictionary items. So let me tell you, in interviews, initially they will ask you to create a dictionary and accessing dictionary elements. This is the very basic questions the interviewer asks. Now, how to access dictionary items? So how you can access the dictionary items by simply giving the keys. So we will be using print function, and then inside that we will be writing the dictionary name, the variable name. So here I am keeping my dict, and then what I want name to print. So what you will be giving? You will be giving the keys. What key I want? Names I want. So when you will give name, it will output as Alice. Now you can also get, access the dictionary items using get method also. So feel the difference. Here, when you are accessing the values just using keys, you have given the variable name of that dictionary, and then I am putting a list. Here I am not putting a simple small bracket, I am putting a list, and then inside that you can keeping the keys, that is name. Now next, when I am putting dot get method, so in dot get, I am not putting a list here, I am giving a simple what, a function tuple here. This is what, in a small bracket I am putting dot get age. So when you will do this, it will print you like this. Now you can access more elements also. So let's see how you can add. You can give comma, and then you can give like age. Suppose I want to get the age also. So when you will do this, okay, I think you cannot. Okay, to get one key, we will be using like this. Next, let's learn how to modify a dictionary. So changes values. You can change the value of a specific item by referring to its key name. So changing value, we will simply keep the dictionary name, and we will take a list, and then we'll be keeping whatever keys you want to change its values, age, and what I want to keep. I previously it was 25. Now I want to keep it as 26, and then job, and also adding a new key value pair. So for that, again you will take the dictionary name, and whatever key you want to add, you give them, and equal to, you give the value of it, assign the value, and then you will print, it will get added. So first, see, age got changed to 26. Next, what I did, I added a new key value, that is job is should be engineer, so I have added job as engineer. Now the update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. The argument must be a dictionary or an iterable object with the key value pairs. So suppose here I have this dict. So next we will be adding uh, this dict, and here we have name as ABC, class, roll number, year. Now what I want to update the year as 2020, not 2022. I want to keep it as 2020. So we will be taking the dictionary and using the dot update the function, and we'll be taking year as 2022. So see here, inside the update function, we are keeping a dictionary, and then we are putting whatever you want to change. So this is how you update it. So see, now year got updated as 2020. Now let's learn how to add items. So simply we will keep the dictionary, and then we can add the key value pair. Color, I want to add into this dict, so it will add color also as red. Color red. Now how to remove items from dictionary? So we will be using dot pop. So here my dict is a dictionary variable, and I'm applying dot pop method, and whatever you key, you have to mention the key name, not the value. So here I want to remove the city from the my dict, so it will remove it. And also you can use the delete keyword. So delete, and then whatever key you want to delete, you use that. So in both, now see, on my dict, now we don't have, previously we have all these name, age, and job keys. Now next we deleted job also, so job also got deleted. So this is how you can remove items. Now next we have pop item. So pop item method removes the last inserted item. So let's see what it will be. It will removed. So see, we applied this dict dot pop item, and but after 3.7 it removed items from like any random item it removed. So let me tell you, see, in the this dictionary we have the name, class, roll number, year, and color. Now when I applied dot pop, it randomly deleted I think year, sorry, not year, color it deleted. Now next, let's see more about dictionary methods. So getting keys and values. So if you want to get keys, so I told you you can give the uh, pass inside list, and you can pass the key name, but you can also use dot keys or dot values. So this is very simple. If I want to print the keys, so it will return all keys, and if you will pass the dot values, it will return dot values, right? So if you want to get all the keys, so it has it returned me name and age, and then uh, from my dict, because in my dict I have already deleted, so we have only two keys left, name and age, and the values is Alice and 26. That's why it is returning me name and age and values as Alice and 26. Next, iterating through a dictionary. So you can, for each key and value in the dictionary dot items, like that we write, and whatever you want to print, that you print. So I want print key value. So this is how you can access all the elements. So name and the value. This is how you can iterate through a dictionary. So whatever elements, right now it has two, but if it has four or more than that, it will. If you will apply the for loop, it will return you everything. Next, we will applying the clear method. So clear method will empty the dictionary, but it will not remove the dictionary, whole dictionary. It will just remove the items from it. So when you will be applying dot clear method on this dict, it will empty and it will return you a empty dictionary. But again the del keyword, so del keyword will remove the this dict variable also. So when you will be applying that, again it will show you an error that this dict is not defined. I already told that how to loop through dictionary, but again let me show you that how you can again simply let's see, for x in my dict print x, so it will print you everything like name and age. It will loop through over keys, and in the previously I told you, if you want to print both key and value, so you have to take both as 4 key comma value in my dict. If you want to take only the keys, then you print only one thing, like take one temporary variable, so it will print you the only keys. Now I want to print all the values in the dictionary one by one. So what I will be doing, for x in my dict, print my dict of x. So now let's see the difference. So see, it has given you the values Alice and age. Because I have given my dict x, so it will return the values. Previously I was only iterating through x and I want to print x only. That's why it has given you the keys only. Next, you can also use the values method to return values of a dictionary. So simply we will be putting same for x in where, not only my dict dot value. So where I'm iterating over values, and then I'm printing the same. So that's why it will now print you the values. Allison's 26. Now next, you can use the keys method to return the keys of a dictionary. So when you will iterate through keys, my dict dot keys, it will print you as I'm iterating x through what keys. So and when I will be printing x, it will give you the keys, name and age. Next, loop through both keys and values by using the items method. So for x and y, what I want to print both keys and values. So I will be taking two temporary variable, and where I need to iterate on both, on keys also and values also. So I will be taking dot items, not separately keys and values. So dot items, it means I want to iterate on both of the items, so it will print you both name Alice and age 26. Now next, learn how to copy a dictionary. So you cannot copy a dictionary simply by typing dict2 is equal to dict1. because dict2 will not only be a reference to dict1, and changes made in dict1 will automatically also be made into dict2. So there are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in dictionary method copy. So we'll simply use this distinct is equal to my dict dot copy. Now when you will print this dict, it will show you the my dict only. Now another way to make a copy, to build use a built-in function dict constructor. So again, this dict is equal to, I am putting dict constructor my dict. So when you will print this dict, again it will print you the same name and age. Now let's learn nested dictionaries. So dictionary can contain dictionaries. A dictionary can contain, like inside that you can keep dictionary. So this is called nested dictionary. Now I have my family variable I have taken as a dictionary. Now inside that I am keeping more dictionary. So first dictionary is child one. Child one is also you know key value pair name and year. Then we have another dictionary child 2 and another dictionary child 3. So this is what a nested dictionary looks like. Now if you want to add 3 dictionaries into a new dictionary, so simply we can put child 1, we'll put, and then child 2 and then child 3. And what I want, these are the 3 dictionaries, right? Child 1, child 2, child 3. These are 3 separate dictionaries. And what I want to put it together in a different dictionary. So now we have 4th dictionary, my family, and inside this I will be keeping as child 1 as key, and then value also as child 1. So this is the key and the value. Now next we have child 2 dictionary key, and then inside that key I am putting child 2 as what? Value. And then next I am keeping child 3, and inside that we can keeping the value. So this value should be matching this name. You can let me just write it. You can let me just run first for you. So see, when you will print, this is how child 1 and then child 2 and then child 3. Now not like this, you can keep anything, like suppose I want to see 1 and C2, so that you will not get confused. So actually as values I'm keeping these dictionaries. Key you can keep anything. So see, the C1 is putting the first child 1, C2 is keeping the child 2, and the C3 is keeping the child 3. So this child 1, child 2, child 3 is the actual values, right? And it is what the other dictionaries that we have. So this is how we can do multiple operations over dictionaries. So that's it for dictionary. Next we will be learning more about loops and functions in Python. I hope you like the session. Thanks for watching.